Saturday, September 30th, 1:52 p.m. New York time. Today's the last calendar day for the month of September. We'll do a review on the monthly time frame. Each candle represents this month. Also be able to identify the high and low of the year. Looking here, the Dow Jones stock index was comprised of the 30 biggest publicly traded companies in the United States. This is a 5-year chart. On the far right is the month of September ending. Red candle. Lower high, lower low. The high of the year right here. The high, that red candle, 2023 year high. Low of the year right here. Again, lower high, lower low than the prior month. The trend is currently down. Back inside this huge consolidation, coming off the highs of the year. We'll compare all 30 companies alphabetical order. Same thing, 5-year chart, monthly candles. Apple, red for the month, lower low, lower high, trending down. You notice they're almost big solid bodies, big bearish candles. Also notice the past month prior was the all-time highs for the year. Coming off the highs. Next, Amgen. It closed green for the month, higher high, higher low. It's performing better than the Dow Jones. Dow Jones for the past 2 months is red. This has been green for the past several months. Not all stocks are trending down. Not all stocks are bearish. There's bullish opportunities. Coming into, here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Select American Express, red, lower low, lower high, very close to the low of the year. You can see past 5 years. Let's take this into, put it in the 3 years. There we go, simpler. The past 3 years, right here. Again, very close to the low of the year. And trading worse, trending worse, performing worse, American Express than the Dow Jones. Big difference. Again, Apple performing better than this, Amgen performing better than this, the stock index performing better than Amgen, better than American Express. All right. Next, Boeing. Let's open this up to see what's exactly going on. New low for the year. Yep, so recently tested the high of the year. It went higher and took out the high of last year. See this? That was the high of last year. It took out that green candle. So that's no longer valid. I'm going to remove that. The high of the year, which was there, went higher. So I'm going to move it up now. Just a minute. That's the high of the year. And again, this month made a new low for the year. We didn't move it down. There you go. Let's double check. Oh, 3. We're having big problems. New low for the year. That was Boeing. Caterpillar. Inside candle for the month. Prior month, all-time new high for the year. And it's performing better than many other ones because it didn't make a lower low, lower high. Nope. Identifying the strength and the weakness within the Dow. Again, low of the year, high of the year, inside candle for the month. Indecision what it wants to do. Charlie Romeo Mike, Salesforce. Red for the week. Red for the month. So that was a high recently. Let's move it up. Yeah, we just noticed again, just the past month and two, for several of these have made new highs for the years. Summer months, typically the retracement occurs, sell off, and then again, look how strong that was. One would expect it's going to come back somewhere. Let's do a Fibonacci on that. Take it down there. There we go. Very close to the 0.382 level. Cisco, this month made a new high for the year, performing better because it made a new high for the year than many of the other ones. Nice. Chevron, Charlie Victor X-ray. There's a high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Look, for the month, higher high, higher low is trending up. Disney, new low for the year. Terrible. Let's move it down. Loser. Extremely bad. So we got several companies. Prior months, this month, new highs for the year. And then we got the losers, new low for the year. Dow Chemical. Yeah, red for the month, lower low, lower high. Huge consolidation here for the year. Goldman Sachs, we got 2 months in a row, inside candles, back to back, both solid body reds. Huge consolidation here. Very interesting. And the financials. Home Depot, red for the month, lower low, lower high. Huge consolidation here too. Honeywell, new low for the year. Yeah, it made a higher high than prior month and then sold off on a lower. So let's move this down. Yep. Next. IBM, outstanding, new high for the year. Did close red, but it made a higher high, lower low, new high for the year. Interesting. Yep, new high, and then took a dive. So let's move that up. Hearing that majority of them are still closer to the highs of the year. Intel, also new high for the year. Did close red, made a higher high, higher low, and new high for the year. Outstanding. This candle, type of candle, huge wick on the top, small body. Yep. Possibly a dragonfly, possibly a bearish signal. Let's move that up. Johnson & Johnson, red, lower low, lower high. JP Morgan, red, lower low, lower high. Such a small trading range, right? Look at that, small little candle for the month, small little trading range. First, Goldman Sachs, financial inside. And let's look at the other one, American Express, big sell-off. So here, JP Morgan, a tiny little candle. Again, still financials, but it's a little almost like a doji. Doji means indecision. It sometimes means a halfway point, potential reversal. Very interesting if this is going to be a leader versus the other financials. Coca-Cola, red, lower low, lower high, new low for the year. Big problems. Wow. See all this consolidation occurring here since last year. Right here, for that consolidation. And then the dump outside this consolidation. Oops. This is a swing low. See how it comes out. See what happens soon. McDonald's, red for the month, lower low, lower high, dumping below this huge consolidation. So a lot of consolidation on the upside might have been distribution occurring here. 3M. Yep, just shy of touching the low of the year. Or actually retesting it, right? There's a low for the year. The low was here. Nope, new low for the year. Is it? Nope. The low this month was 92.41. So we haven't taken out the low of the year yet. Huge consolidation down here. It's the consolidation. Again, it's not trending. It's an consolidation phase. What does that mean? It means a breakout, one or the other direction from that consolidation is a trade idea I'm looking for. Merck, red for the month, lower low, lower high. Pretty much big consolidation here. Microsoft, yep, red. Made a higher high than the prior month and a lower low. So buyers still holding that up. And Nike that just came out with earnings. Yeah. New low for the year. Terrible. Nike, manufacturing, retail, bad shape, this company. Procter Gamble, red, lower low, lower high. Again, we still have a huge consolidation risk in here. We already identified again several of them that new lows for the year and some that are uptrending strong. Travelers, another financial, new low for the year. Okay. Lower high, lower low, but closed green back inside that prior candle. Again, new low for the year. Took out the low of last month. So let's move that down. United Health, green for the month. Get a higher high and a lower low. Small consolidation in there. Visa, new high for the year. No, did it? Let's double check. That high was 250.58. Yeah, so it did not make a new high, just shy of testing it. Yeah, did make a higher high than prior month and then sold off big red body, bearish. Verizon, red for the month, near the lows of the year. Walgreens, oof. New low for the year, bearish. Extremely bad. Again, retail. And Walmart, new high for the year. So we took out the high of last year right here. We can move that. And we made it a new high for this year. Retail. Again, retail, there's many different industries in the retail. So there we go. Went to 30 companies, alphabetical order, all in here. So overall, the Dow stock index is performing better than many of these that are making new lows. Look, steer pace scattered higher, big sell. But the point is here, we have diversified Dow Jones stock index. It's very diversified in many different sectors. We identified the winners and losers. Yeah, more like the manufacturers. Let's look at a few again. Caterpillar, Dow Chemical, big consolidation. Yeah. First, and then technology we saw. Again, what's another one? Manufacturer. There we go, Intel. So you clearly see the companies, who's the winners, who's the losers, and identify what sector industry they are performing. Technology is still better than many of these retails. The manufacturer is still stronger than many other ones. Several trade ideas here, opportunities. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.